Hello! Now it's the time of the year when the seed company catalogues will start pouring through your letterbox, and you'll be receiving emails telling you of their latest and greatest offers in an effort to get you to buy some. However, this year I won't be buying any seeds apart from two very special varieties. The money I save, which probably will be in excess of £80, I'm going to spend on something that I think will greatly improve my growing season this coming year. I'm Gang Gang. Welcome to the channel, Gang Gang and Peanuts, two peas in a pod. Now in my seed boxes I probably have 10 different types of brassicas, 15 different varieties of lettuce, and don't even get me started on how many varieties of tomatoes I have. And all of these seeds probably cost between £3 and £4 a packet, and when I've got hundreds, that's a lot of money. So why do I keep buying seeds that I'm never going to see the sunshine and get to grow into some plants? And the reason is quite simple. It's because we are addicts. We are addicted to the thrill of buying seeds. Come on, look me in the eye and tell me you could walk around a garden centre and not be attracted to the brightly coloured packets of the latest seeds on offer. I didn't think so. Now this doesn't only apply to seeds, it also applies to potatoes, of which I normally buy 3 or 4, maybe 5 varieties every year. And at £5 to £7 a bag, you can see that soon adds up. This also applies to maybe onion sets and shallots. So this addiction of ours is costing us more than £100 every season, but not this year, not for me. Let me show you why. Now the seeds that I have here in my seed boxes should be perfectly okay to sow this season. They've been stored correctly, away from any temperature fluctuations and from any damp or moisture, and therefore they should still be viable. This doesn't only apply to these seeds, because I've also got seeds that I saved from last year. I have some chilli seeds, I have some pepper seeds, I also have some shallots which I kept over from last year. So I've got plenty to be sowing and growing this year at zero cost. So if I don't spend any money on seeds and seed potatoes this year, I'll be saving a small fortune. And what am I going to do with that small fortune? I'm going to spend it on something that I think will greatly improve the season. I'm going to spend some of it on some better quality compost, because let's face it, no matter what seeds you have, if you don't have a quality compost, they're not going to grow very well at all. I also may spend some of it on some feed, some specialist feed that will give me a better crop, a better harvest. And I have to be perfectly honest at this point, I've already spent some of it. Let me show you what I've spent it on. Now, when I was in the garden centre, nosing around, I found these. And these are reduced in price from more than £3 to just 20p. So, there's the addiction kicking in again. Now, although I said I won't be buying any seeds this year, I kind of told you a little white lie, because I have 3 seeds, 3 very, very special seeds that I've purchased with the money I'm going to save by not buying the everyday seeds. And let me show you what they are. The first one I have is a tomato, and it is called Giant Delicious. And these are seeds from a world record tomato, which grew in excess of £7. I also have some seeds from a giant pepper, which is the UK record holder for the largest pepper. And finally, I have a seed which I'll be growing, and it is this one. This is a mangel wurzel. And no, it's not some strange disease. It is actually quite an interesting looking vegetable to grow. And with the mangel wurzel, the tomatoes and the pepper, I'll be making videos to show you how I get along. And pretty soon I'll be starting my tomato grow along, and I'll be letting you know what variety we'll be using this year. So this year, hopefully, I won't be giving in to the addiction that all of us gardeners seem to have for buying seeds and seed potatoes. I won't be fooled by the shiny pictures in the shiny catalogues, and I won't be fooled by the brightly coloured packets in the garden centre. And in doing so, I'm going to save myself a small fortune, and I'll reinvest that on some compost and some specialist feeds and 1 or 2 special seeds. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm Gang Gang, this is Gang Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod, and as ever, until next time, take care.